Hello, and how are you guys? This is Mark McKenna with Realty Executives. It's in December 2022, and this is the last update here of this year, and kind of looking forward to 2023, and it is shaping up fantastically for the sellers as well as buyers. How about that? I can't believe this. This is both. Yes, we're getting real close to a balanced, neutral market here, so that means basically you can negotiate on terms. You'll be able to have plenty of time to look around for properties and be competitive. If you're a seller in this market, yeah, I think the inventory is growing faster and we'll be closer to a balanced market here. Probably we were anticipating, I'm thinking maybe at the end of January, but it's probably going to be like February or so. I think the sellers are now taking a little bit more time to put their houses on the market here to make sure that it's done right and everything, where they can capture as much value as they possibly can out of the home. So that's encouraging for buyers, because then there'll be less things to ask for, but it's still be negotiable terms. Now the graph that you have behind me, you see this here? You see that the arrow going all the way up? Well, that peak over there was January of last year. Well, this year, I guess we'll be calling it 2022. But then it started to dip down a little bit and everything else, and is gradually going down. But it is not a free for all, like some people were thinking. It is basically all that value that you had in the first quarter of this year is now going to kind of dissipate and be kind of stretched out over many years. So if you're a buyer, again, rates are going to be fluctuating here and there a little bit, be very volatile, but at some point they will be going down. The Feds are committed and going ahead and continuing to raise rates until we're out of this inflation fiasco. So expect that trend to continue. When and how, it's just keep your ear to the ground there and kind of see what happens there. So that's kind of the snapshot here of what's going on. I want to make this kind of quick here, but let you know that everything is shaping up very well to be a buyer in this coming market. It's a fantastic time. You got some great loan programs. The rates are kind of low, but you could always negotiate terms in order to get the buy down of the rate as well, to take advantage of that. That's the savings right off the bat. And then sellers, the rule of thumb there is prepare your house for market. Readiness is going to be an important thing this year. So if you're a seller, you want to make sure that you have everything all ready to go and present your house on the market, and because it's going to get pretty tough with competition. If you're a buyer, the readiness means that, hey, look, I have a great pre-qual. I got an agent that's working for me and finding the right properties. I am locked and loaded, ready to find something where I could put down an offer with confidence, and we're going to go ahead and get what we want into this and move forward. And the cool thing here too, real quick note, if you're a seller that now then once you sell your house, you want to buy a house, this is the market that's going to happen okay, closer to a balanced market. So you'll be able to sell your home, and then you have the sellers will be willing to take contingent offers. So now those sellers are now going to be coming into this market. Last year they couldn't go into it because they could get like $1 million for the house or whatever, but that didn't matter because they couldn't get another house. So that no one's taking the contingent offer there. So that was a tough thing to do. This market now presents an opportunity for those sellers to come into the market. That's why I think we're going to have a slower pace of sellers coming in, raising up the inventory, for this year. So it's definitely going to happen in first quarter here for sure, that we'll start to get more of a balanced market. That's going to happen. Rates will start to level off at some point. There'll still be some volatility there, but if the buyers and sellers stay flexible and take greediness out of the equation, if they can, I don't think that's going to happen, but if they do, then this will be a smoother ride than most people are expecting. Hopefully you're having a great New Year's and everything, and looking forward to 2023. Rock and roll.